Good morning and happy Monday, guys. Okay, today's phonics lesson is going to be a little different than what we normally do. So we're actually going to review everything we've learned in first grade phonics. So today we're going to start by reviewing blends. So let's go ahead and look at our learning target for today, and then we'll jump right into the lesson. If you look on the blog, we have a YouTube video for you to watch the blends video. So go ahead and check that out too. So our learning target for today says, I can apply initial blends when reading new words. So what do we remember about blends? Go ahead and check out the YouTube video on the blog and think about all the things we learned about blends this year. Let me get my pen. Okay, so let's look at some words that have blends in them. Let's look at the word clap. What blend do I see in the word clap? What blend do I see in the word clap? I see, sorry, let me change my pen color. I thought I did. I see cool. Cool. CL says cool. That's a blend. So the initial blend in clap is cool. Let's look at another word. Our next word is drab. 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 So what's my blend in drab? My blend in drab. If you said dir, you are correct. DR says dir. And that's the initial blend in drab. Let's look at one more word. Stop. Stop. St is the blend in stop. ST says st. St. I see st and stop. ST is my blend. So if we look at the word clap, that's an L family blend because it has an L. And drab, it's an R family blend. And in stop, it's an S family blend. I want you to brainstorm. That means I want you to stop and think of some words. And you can do this on paper at home. You can just think about it, but I kind of want you guys to write it down. Maybe if you have a notebook, you can make this chart in your notebook. And I want you guys to brainstorm some of these L blends. So if we look at our L blends, we see we have bull, cool, full, goal, pull, and soul. Our R blends, our R blends, we have burr, cur, dir, burr, gur, purr, and tur. And for our S blends, we have sk, sk, soul, sm, sp, st, sp. I'm going to brainstorm one for each, and then I want to challenge you to see if you can fill in the rest of the boxes. So my first L blend, I'm going to say flag. Full. Flag. I chose an L blend. I know it's an L blend because it says full. It has the L in it. FL. For my R blend, I'm gonna choose grape. A remember when the A says the same, when the vowel says the same, it has that sneaky E at the end. So I chose gur. That's my R blend that I chose. And for my S blend, I'm going to do stop. St. Ah. Okay, I want to challenge you and see if you can fill in the rest of the boxes with L blends, R blends, and S blends. Okay, so this is part of your work that I want you to do on the blog for today. So I am going to attach the word list for one of your assignments for today. What I want you to do is I want you to blend the word, and then with a highlighter, I want you to highlight the blend in each of the words that you see. So I'm going to say that again. I want you to blend these words. I want you to sound them out and read them to an adult at home, or maybe a brother or sister. And then I want you to take a highlighter, a crayon, a pencil, something, and either highlight or circle the blend that you see in each word. So let me show you what I mean. So if I look at our first box, I see the first word is snub. Snub. I'm going to read that to somebody at my house, and I'm going to say, the word is snub. Then I want you to take either a crayon, a highlighter, a pencil, something, and either circle or highlight or underline the blend in the word. So I see the blend is sn. So I'm going to circle sn in this word because I know that's the initial blend for snub. If I want to try it down here, I see this word says clam. Clam. I read it out loud and I blended it. Now I need to find the blend. So the blend I see in clam is coal. So I'm going to circle CL because CL says coal. Okay, let's practice spelling some of these words. So our first word is grab. Grr. A. B. Grab. I see my beginning blend or my initial blend is gur. GR says gur. My next word is club. Cool. I know cool is CL. Cool. B. Club. I know CL says cool, and that's my initial blend. My next word is spun. Sp. I know SP is my beginning blend. Sp. Spun. My next word is flap. I hear full. That's my beginning or initial blend. Full. FL says full. App. Flap. My next word is trip. I hear tur. TR says tur, and that's my initial blend. Tur. Trip. And my last word is skin. I hear sk. SK says sk, and it's my initial blend. Sk. Skin. Okay, I want to give you a challenge. I want to see if you can take that word list that I showed you before, this word list, and I want to see if you can create sentences with the words. This is just an extra challenge. So if you want to, you can grab a piece of paper and see if you can make sentences with these words. So I'm going to show you the sentence that I came up with. I wanted to try and challenge myself and use as many words from the word list in one sentence. So my sentence says, the trim, ooh, I see a blend and trim. The trim, slim, ooh, I see another blend, sole. Frog, ooh, fur and frog is another blend. The trim, slim frog sat on a flat, ooh, I see another blend, full. Flat slab, ooh, I hear sole. Slab of, it's really hard to write with this pen, of glass. I hear ghoul. GL is another blend. Make sure you put your period at the end of your sentences. So let's see how many blends I have in my word. The trim, slim frog sat on a flat slab of glass. I counted 6 blends. I want you to see if you can challenge yourself and come up with maybe 1 or 2 sentences to see how many words you could put in there that have beginning or initial blends in them. Okay, and this is your last assignment for today. There's actually no work to do with this one. It's just I want you to practice reading a passage that have those blends in them. So what I want you to do is you don't have to print this out. You can read it on the blog. You can see it on your phone, a tablet, a computer. And I just want you to read this to somebody 3 times. I want to see how awesome your reading skills are. If you want to even record yourself reading it, you can send it to your teacher and show her how awesome you are doing with reading your blends. So I'm going to read it to you first, and then I want you to practice reading it 3 times. So it says, I'm sorry, the plan. Brad and Skip have a drum, a sled, some plums, and a plan. They give the drum to their sis, Britt. Britt slaps the top of the drum. Blam! Britt has fun with the drum. Brad and Skip give the plums to their dog, Spot. Spot steps on the plums and makes plum jam. He makes a mess. Brad and Skip give the sled to their pal Stan. Stan sees Spot and the mess of jam. He puts Spot on the sled. He drags Spot around the grass on the sled. Stan and Spot have fun with the sled. Britt sees Spot and Stan and the sled. She wants to go on the sled too. Stan puts Britt and the drum on the sled. Stan drags the sled. Britt slaps the drum and Spot slaps at the jam. Oh, sorry, and Spot laps at the jam. Brad and Skip grin. What a great plan. Okay, go ahead and read this to somebody at home 3 times or video yourself reading it to your teacher. All right, guys, I will talk to you guys tomorrow.